Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a hotly debated topic, eating eggs every day. Should you do it? Is it good for your health? Well, stay tuned until the end, because we'll also share what others think. Now, let's crack this open and find out. So, let's start with why eggs are often called a nutrient powerhouse. One large egg contains around 6 grams of high-quality protein, plus essential vitamins like B12, vitamin D, and important minerals like selenium.
That's right. They're also rich in choline, a nutrient that supports brain health. According to a study from the National Institutes of Health, choline is critical for brain development, especially in pregnant women.
So, in essence, when you're eating an egg, you're getting a mini health boost. It's like a multivitamin packed inside a shell. But let's dig deeper. What happens when you make this a daily habit? Now, this is where things get a little more controversial. For years, eggs were demonized because of their cholesterol content. But new research tells a different story.
Absolutely. The American Heart Association now says that dietary cholesterol has a much smaller impact on blood cholesterol levels than we once thought. They suggest that for most people, eating one egg a day won't raise your heart disease risk.
So, what's the cause and effect here? Well, for healthy individuals, eggs can actually help raise HDL, or good cholesterol, which is linked to a lower risk of heart disease.
Exactly. In fact, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate one egg per day had a reduced risk of developing cardiovascular disease compared to those who didn't eat eggs at all.
Of course, everyone's body reacts differently, which brings us to an important reminder. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any big changes to your diet. Now, if you're trying to manage your weight, eggs might just be your new best friend. But how does this work?
It's all about satiety. Eggs are high in protein, which helps you feel full longer. In fact, a study published in the journal Obesity found that people who ate eggs for breakfast felt fuller throughout the day and consumed fewer calories overall.
And that's the key here. Cause and effect. Eating eggs in the morning can lead to reduced snacking and overeating later in the day. It's like starting your day on the right foot. Less temptation to grab that mid-morning donut.
Exactly. And remember, the protein in eggs is also great for muscle maintenance and repair, especially if you're trying to build or maintain muscle mass.
Here's something many people don't realize. Eggs are great for your eyes. Eggs contain 2 key antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to protect against eye diseases like macular degeneration and cataracts.
Lutein and zeaxanthin actually help filter harmful blue light from digital screens, which most of us are staring at all day. So eggs could help protect your vision in the long run.
So, for those of you spending long hours on your computers or phones, adding eggs to your diet might help give your eyes a little extra protection. Now that we've shared the science, let's hear what others think about eating eggs every day. Here's some feedback we got from our community.
One viewer, Sarah from Ohio, says, "I've been eating eggs every day for over a year, and I feel more energized in the morning. Plus, my cholesterol levels have stayed steady."
That's awesome, Sarah. And here's another one from David in California. "I was skeptical at first because of the cholesterol myth, but after talking to my doctor, I started having an egg with breakfast. I've lost 10 pounds over the last 6 months."
Great feedback. It just goes to show how incorporating something as simple as an egg into your daily routine can have a big impact.
So, is eating eggs every day right for you? Well, as we've shown, eggs can offer a lot of benefits, from supporting heart and brain health to helping with weight management and even protecting your vision.
But remember, everyone is different. What works for one person might not work for another. Always check in with your doctor or a nutritionist before making eggs a daily habit, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.
At the end of the day, eggs are a versatile, affordable, and nutrient-dense food that can fit into a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're scrambling them, boiling them, or poaching them, eggs have a lot to offer. Now it's time for you to join the conversation. Do you eat eggs every day? Have you noticed any changes in your health or energy? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experiences.
And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We've got more health and wellness content coming your way.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.